Hello everybody, it's time to clean the condenser coil on the 1982 GE side-by-side. Do this annually, so this is the 2024 cleaning. Go ahead and pull it out from the wall. I've already unplugged it. Get the cord out of the way. Go ahead and pull the grill off. Ew, that tray's pretty dirty this time. Get these items out of the way. So get the back cover off. Let's go ahead and get this floor swept before we get behind there and work. Be real careful with this cardboard. Just the age of it. It's got to be getting brittle. There we go. And ease that out. I'll go take that same brush I used earlier and brush this back off. Just do a little quick brushing on these wires. Looks a little dirtier this year than it did last year, but we'll take care of that. Alright, so here's the end result. It's respectable. It's from 1982, so it's not going to be absolutely perfect at this point. But the coil is clean. Cleaned the fan best I could. Got most of the dust off of the wiring and everything, and just tidied it up. Should be ready to go. Put it back together and we'll give it a start up as I did with the other one. The 82 GE is back in place. I'm going to set the microphones behind the refrigerator and plug it in and give it a startup sound. See how that goes. So that was a pretty good startup sound for this 1982 GE side-by-side. So once again, this has been cleaning the condenser coil area out of the 1982 GE side-by-side refrigerator. Thank you for watching.